Blessings to all my viewers. Like always, love and respect to each and every one of you. Today, we got a lot to unpack. From Drake's legal trouble with Blue Green Red, getting pulled due to sample issues, to Bob Marley's sons keeping his legacy alive with their first tour in 20 years. And yes, we've got updates on Vybz Kartel filming music videos from prison. Crazy, right? Plus, Mr. Vegas is defending Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and we'll dive deep into that too. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Drake. Producer Boy, one to finally address why Blue Green Red disappeared from streaming platforms. Turns out it's all because of a sample clearance issue. This issue came up because Jamaican producer Cleveland Clevie Brown claimed that Drake used parts of Tiger's 1991 dancehall hit when without permission. The line in Drake's post-chorus, "What the clock in London?"
I go watch face just like them. I mean, I watch face like them.
Yeah, Big Ben is said to mirror Tiger's original lyric. So it seems like there's some legal back and forth going on behind the scenes. What do you all think? Should Drake have cleared the sample earlier? Or do these issues just come with the territory in the music industry? Next, let's talk about something huge. Bob Marley's sons hitting the road. For the first time in 2 decades, Ziggy, Stephen, Julian, Kymani, and Damian Marley are touring together, performing some of Bob Marley's greatest hits. Can you imagine? Songs like No Woman, No Cry, and 3 Little Birds being sung by the Marley brothers? It's a beautiful way to keep their father's legacy alive. This tour is special because it's not just about the music. It's about the message of unity and love that Bob Marley preached. What's your favorite Bob Marley song? Moving on, Vybz Kartel is making headlines again. This time, it's not just about his music. It's about the fact that he's been filming music videos from prison. Yes, you heard that right. In a recent interview, Kartel revealed that he recorded an entire EP in just 2 days and even shot videos while behind bars. He hasn't released them yet.
I'll video me doing a prison, but I'm not about to release them because I said, I even want to beat up the system for them.
True. Eh, you didn't do video?
Yes, we are talking about Brandon, man.
And them not can drop you now then, man. Well,
you tell them now, drop. Remember, gravity go from the earth, you know, so everything have to drop, you know.
True.
I want to have 4 fundamental force, man. Gravity.
And teacher, I don't think a whole heap of people, as we mentioned before, conversations that me and you would have. I think, I'm going to say this to people already, you know. I think a lot of people respect you as a lyricist and them say you're intelligent and so, but I don't think people know the limits or the boundaries or how far your intelligence. Because even enough things you said to me in terms of history and
Now, that's a work ethic, right? But here's the question. Should Kartel be releasing content from prison? And finally, we've got some political drama. Mr. Vegas is defending Prime Minister Andrew Holness. He's calling out the PNP for trying to tarnish Holness' name, saying that the accusations of corruption can't be proven. According to Mr. Vegas, they can't prove Holness thief $1. Now, this whole situation started after the PNP leader, Mark Golding, raised questions about transactions in Holness bank accounts. But Mr. Vegas is standing firm in his defense, calling the accusations wickedness. What do you all think? Is this just political mudslinging, or is there something deeper here? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. As always, I love hearing your thoughts, so make sure to drop a comment below. Which of these stories got you the most fired up? Should Drake's Blue Green Red come back to streaming? Or is it better left off? How do you feel about the Marley Brothers tour? And is Vybz Kartel pushing boundaries with those prison-made videos? Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Much love and blessings. Until next time, peace.
Don't know me there a shot there nightclub, you hear that? And one thing I can say, free Cairo, free Dante. Dan Gargan is so forward, man, you know that. Up to the time. Now hear this! Biggest one.
You can do it.
like a talk. What on? Over there, I'm carrying the bodyguard. I'm carrying the deity. Jesus Christ, man. Big up this level. When I say, right? What on? Campari. All right, Campari. In a day and more time I go on our TikTok, I have to laugh and read some things. Kartel and the money and the things. And even from the prison, we will say, we will do a song. I feel like I will label it Brando this. Vybz Kartel new song, Brando this. I'm not calling him a song Brando, so where him get Brando this from.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So just the clickbait. Right. So like I noticed some father road, we don't see nobody, man. We don't see people, man. You have to do it, let me see it. Do what the man do, no, man.
Them listen. Teacher, them listen.
You have someone say them a sell gold and sell this and sell that. We do. Because for that, yeah, I can put out my gold song them when I sell with on Beyonce album. I have gold and platinum when I sell with Rihanna. I have gold and platinum when I sell with Missy Elliott. Them then account, man. Where you gold where you sell for yourself?
So you only count the one you sell for yourself?
You know that alone you see me advertise?
True.
You understand? Because remember, you know, if you do a song with Rihanna, chances are it I go sell gold. If you do a song with Nicki Minaj, chances are it I go sell gold.
True.
The man where they are prisoner sell the gold and sell the silver. Beat the man then, man.
Do that and beat you. Where say do that and beat you?
Do that and beat the man. Do that and beat him.
They are the goat.
Now that me I try to tell us so more time, because one thing in black people, them living in most illusion. Them living in the most illusion.
True.
But the numbers is there.
And numbers don't lie.
Numbers don't lie, man. No matter how you try to manipulate it. It can't lie. The numbers is there. So you can't compare me to someone and have the numbers for sure. So what are you really comparing? Are your feelings you are comparing?
Yeah.
You're not comparing enough facts.
Enough facts.
Feelings are comparing, bro.
You can't bring feelings come to a fact fight.
No, you can't bring feelings come to a fact fight. Like how you can't bring a knife to a Glock fight. You understand? Your feelings are compared. Star, my little nephew, bad and Kartel, because your nephew, bro. Prove it, so when bad and Kartel. When standard. Compare the standard.
True.
Who are talk about it globally? Who are talk about it globally? Where the record them where you sell? Where the numbers them there? Yeah,
where the impact?
That's why where your impact. You ever sing a song about kerchief and the whole world wear kerchief? You ever sing a song about the shoes and the whole world wear the shoes there? You ever come with a style so you full out your hand a tattoo and sleeve and the whole world a tattoo and sleeve? What is it what you do? If you think
what is your claim to fame?
What is your claim to fame?
Than just calling Kartel name.
Other than see, like a little chihuahua. You just make nice in your yard, man. You just make nice in your yard. They don't know what is the claim to fame. So people, the black people will kill you with feelings and emotion. That's why Kartel will always advance more than enough of them. And even when they are prison, they advance more than most of them. Because, bro, a logic me deal with. And I deal with feelings and emotion, man. With a logic me deal with.
I rate that.
You know, I feel logic, man. If I feel it's emotion, I'm in a mother prison. Because look how me used to live on the road. Starlight. Now we're dropping a cell where it's like a 8x10. If you don't deal with emotion, we're not mad out like a bitch.
Judge.
But instead we're there in prison and get more rich.